Now, my next piece of advice that I've been saying a lot on Instagram, if you all don't follow me on Instagram, it's Mogul Naj, Built by Plants Coaching. Slowly transition to a plant based diet. Don't feel like you're forced to cut everything out. You don't have to give everything up right away. Just start by adding more vegetables to the current meals that you're already eating. That's making you more plant based right there because you're eating more plants. Plants are the base of your foods. So view this as a transition process where you're just adding in more foods to your current diet. What's going to happen is naturally you're going to get more full on some of those foods. Maybe you don't eat a lot of vegetables. Maybe you don't eat asparagus and things like that. When you add that in, it's going to make you not want to eat as much of the other foods that you're eating. Start by just having your lunches be plant based. You can just have a vegan lunch every single day. Prep it ahead of time. Meal prep your lunches. And I always say just have something like a burrito bowl. Same way you go to Chipotle and they have those style of bowls. Something simple that's easy, that won't be difficult to implement into your life. You can still have your protein source. I recommend it be a vegan protein source. And I'll talk about the ones that I recommend that's the highest in protein and the misconceptions when it comes to protein in the plant based world. But just start by having a veggie bowl. Add the vegetables and the things that you want to eat into the bowl, and then a protein source, and have that for lunch. Super simple, right? And just do that every single day. Your vegan lunch every single day, even on the weekends, 7 days a week, and transition that way. Get used to the certain foods that may taste a little bit different than what you're used to. That's an easy way to transition because that's something you can stick with. You don't have to think about what you're going to be eating every single day or what's the new vegan meal that you're going to try. It's a great way to go ahead and transition. And some people can just cut out everything overnight. Some people are like, okay, I'm ready to go. I don't need the slow process. I can dive right in. Just give me the foods, give me some recipes, and I'm good to go. And there are people like that. I did that for the most part when I first started transitioning back in 2017. There was a lot of sweets and stuff that I liked, like cookies and things like that. And I wasn't really that aware of all the plant based versions of cookies and stuff. So I would still eat those, right? Up until like the end of the year where I completely gave up all the sweets and everything like that. But we'll talk a little bit about my transition later on.